Hey, you're gonna feed Ratchet here. You hungry, buddy?
Hold on.
Yeah, are you hungry?
Yeah, I know you saw the thing. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Calm down.
Yeah, food is nice, right? Oh my god, you're drinking that thing fast.
I know, I'm trying to give him little by little so he won't explode.
No, I don't think he wants it like that. Yeah, is it good?
Oh, we knew you were hungry. You were hungry.
You are so cute.
Almost done.
No, the way he's putting his arms, he's just like, oh yeah, come on, I want the rest of it. Come on.
Okay, okay. People would think we're starving you. Look at your belly. You should actually eat less.
Oh yeah, God, he's getting a little fat.
I don't want you to get fat.
Oh, you're a squirrel, you're supposed to run around.
I'm gonna let you go. That's it, Ratchet. The end. Okay, let's clean you up a bit.
Alright, well, good food, huh? Good.
There we go. All fed up.